am Auntie Beth.
And this is Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time!
Ante, kaka-Father's Day lang. Happy Father's Day.
Belated
sa
Happy
natin.
Father's Day sa ating mga martir sa buhay.
Ang mga victims natin.
Yes.
Kamusta naman? Saan kayo nag-celebrate?
Ay, talagang Father's Day kasi talagang pinagbigyan ko lahat ng gusto niya from...
Uy, pinagbigyan mo lahat?
Yes!
As in lahat? Yung alam kong
As in,
lahat?
maaga kaming nag-mega mall para sa kanyang gun show.
Akala ko naman kung anong lahat.
At saka...
Akala ko nag-bomba star ka.
Bomba star ako, diba?
Lahat sabi mo eh.
Launch ko, hindi. So sinunod ko lahat, hindi ako kumontra.
Ay, ang hirap nun for you, Ante.
Eh, kamusta ka?
I know.
I mean, morning, we were early. We went to the gun show because that's his annual thing. Siya yung namili ng restaurant at hindi ako ng laban.
Ay, wow! I'm so proud of
I
you!
know. Ikaw, kamusta yung Father's Day weekend?
Ako, Father's Day, I spent it with my dad, my brother who's also a father, and my husband. So, pagoda, kasi ang daming, mga kamag-anakan. And then, we went on separate Father's Day pa for my husband, Lauren. So, talagang pagoda. Then, we did grocery. Ang saya, diba? Father's Day na grocery kami. Pagoda ang
Tsaka
uncle
sinunod
mo.
natin sila.
Yeah.
Sinunod mo ba siya?
Nakalimutan ko. Parang
Ako, basta
hindi
ako,
yata.
very
Oo.
very intentional ako. O sige, kung gusto mo ng gun show tayo. Gusto mo,
Hindi mo kinontra at
itong
all.
restaurant na to, sige.
O, kamusta naman the following day? Wala na.
Wala na, syempre, one
Mother's
day
Day na ulit.
Mother's Day ulit,
Ma-
Mother's Year ulit. Duh.
Correct. Actually, ganun nga. The following day, parang, kalmado na ulit. Hindi na tayo nahirapan sa pagpapretend natin.
Yes.
But in fairness, sa totoo lang ha, there are support system naman talaga, the fathers. Pero nananotice mo ba lately, I don't know with you kasi ako kay Lore, nananotice ko parang yung energy niya that weekend, pagoda siya. Hindi ko alam kung...
Ano bang ginawa mo para maging pagoda siya?
Hindi, sinagad ko siya ng Saturday, Sunday. Alam mo na, charot. Alam mo na yon.
Mo?
Hindi. Pero, alam mo yon, so weekend and buong weekend talaga, napagod siya. Pero, hindi ko nakita yung reklamo. I don't know why. Actually, I know why. I'll tell you later.
Oh,
kung
wow.
bakit.
Ako naman, okay naman siya kasi parang for one siguro dahil hindi na ako nangontra. Lahat ng gusto niya, sinunod ko. Tsaka, I think ang na-notice ko sa kanya, gusto niya talaga kung ano yung pinag-usapang schedule, yun na yun.
Walang side.
Walang side hustle or side trip. Alam mo
Oo,
yun.
oo,
So,
oo.
medyo na-figure out ko yun after 30 years.
Ba,
Never
congratulations.
too late.
Ojo,
Never too late.
congratulations.
Oo.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes.
And Happy Father's Day din, belated sa
Yes.
mga, I'm not
ng
so
mga
sure if
uncle ng mga ante natin
mga
sa
uncles,
buhay.
if there are uncles watching us.
Yes.
But please encourage your husbands to watch today's episode.
yes.
Kasi may special guest tayo from a man's perspective naman. Kasi we've been talking about our perspective
On perimenopause.
perimenopause for many
But
episodes.
we never really exhausted the conversation sa version ng ating mga
Which is interesting
kasama
for
sa
me.
buhay. Yes.
Kasi I also want to know their perspective. Kasi sa era natin na ngayon, we always want to know what's going on with us. But we also want to know what's going on with them at
Yes.
this stage.
Because it's a two-way street. Like in a relationship.
Yeah, oo.
Wow.
Tama naman.
May ganung wisdom ng mga tsahin mo.
Oo. So, yung mga nanonotice natin na mga changes sa mga bodies natin, sila rin pala, ante, if you notice, meron din mga...
Mas malaki na nga boobs ng asawa ko kaysa sa akin eh.
Ay, wag na natin parang yun nga, bumili ako ng gift ng Father's Day
Bumili
sa
ka na ng
kanya. Pinilang ko siya ng bra, charot. Hindi. Na-realize ko na parang lately, ang sinusuot niya, previously, ang mga sinusuot
Mga
niya,
loose.
Hindi, dark. Ang
Dark.
gusto niyang mga shirts, mga dark
Pero fit
na.
na fit ba to?
Hindi kasi parang may raisins na parang smuggling raisins yung dating niya sa paglight. So, binilan ko siya ng dark na natuwa naman siya. Kasi nga, yun nga sabi niya,
Ako loose.
gusto niya ng dark kasi nga ayaw niya makita yung
Chanda o yung
nipples niya, yung raisins niya.
Yung raisins
So,
niya.
meron, dati, in fairness to him,
Dapat
hindi
binili
siya
mo na rin ng nipple tape.
para OA naman na yata, yung nipple tape, Pambabae na yun talaga.
I mean, diba?
But in fairness to him, dati, I don't know if I think nakita mo naman si Lawrence na
Ng kabataang barangay natin.
athletic naman siya.
Oo,
6 packs naman. 8
Oo,
nga yung
oo.
pandesal nun dati.
Anong nangyari?
Pero,
Naging one loaf.
Nag-retire na eh. Nandun lang daw sa ilalim, nagtatago.
Somewhere, yes.
Oo. Through time, talagang nahihirapan na rin siya to lose that bulge.
Yeah.
And then yung man boobs niya pero parang nagko-compete na sa akin.
Yes.
Ganon.
Correct.
So, I think yun yung mga nananotice ko sa asawa ko. I don't know with...
Yeah, sa akin, it's more of the chanda.
Ah.
Chanda and...
Pero hindi naman umiinom si Bojo. Umiinom ba siya?
Well, would have his occasional
Occasional.
pale
Rice ba to?
person.
Or
Rice, although wala talagang, alam mo naman ng mga husband, gawin
Ay-
mo na lahat, huwag mo lang gutumin.
totoo, pero I remember you mentioned Bojo wanted to play basketball and you discouraged him.
Oo,
at that
kasi nga
time.
sabi ko, Dad, alam mo yung mga midlife, yan yung mga horror story nababaltaan kung biglang bumubulagta, inatake sa puso.
Yeah,
Dahil
that age, no?
40-something, tatakbo ka, nakalimutan mong hindi ka na 18 years old.
Pero parang ganyan din si Lord. Sa kanya naman ang sports niya is volleyball.
Oo.
So, as you know, athlete siya.
Oo.
Philippine team siya
Oo.
before. So, addict siya sa volleyball.
Oo.
Pero di ko na rin siya ina-allow lately because
Oo.
nga, parang mentally, parang feeling nila they're capable
Yeah.
still. But really, the physical,
the
hindi na eh.
body, the mind thinks that they're still in their prime,
Correct.
pero hindi na medyo nagka-catch up
Sa
sa
physical, ano?
Pero sa mind daw nila talagang
kaya
kaya
pa.
ko naman dumakdak eh.
Correct, correct. Hindi na eh.
Really? Yeah.
Pero, na-notice ko na parang kulit siya ng kulit na she really wants to go active again. I'm just worried lang talaga na paano siya magiging active if ang bigat pa nung katawan niya.
That's
And
right.
the energy is not really there.
Mm.
So, siguro yung guest natin could help us on
better understand.
Oo.
Oo. Kasi pag-asawa natin, alam mo naman, what is a seemingly innocent conversation, mamaya magbubulyawan na kayo, nagkakapikunan na. Alam mo yan.
Alam ko yan, mas nakikinig tayo sa ibang tao kaysa sa
Pero
kanya.
I think it goes both ways for men and women. We listen more
Parang
when
may
it's
iya
other
factor.
people.
Oo, may iya factor. with
Oo,
others.
exactly. Pero pag sa sarili nating mga partners, I think we are both guilty of that.
That's true.
Mhm.
Me, yeah. So, to help us understand men at this stage, meron tayong guest. He's a good friend of yours, Ante. So,
yes.
please, introduce.
Of course. Thank you. Actually, talagang nung in-invite ko siya, never siya kagad na nag-say no. And this is a life I had a couple of years ago when I was quite involved in multi-sports.
Quite involved.
Quite involved.
lang.
Oo, quite lang, okay? Kaya we invited this, dahil nandoon na rin siya sa age of midlife, but he is still very active. In fact, I'm just happy to know that he is raising a very young family. We are joined by a 4-time Ironman finisher.
Wow.
Yes, Ironman lang
Not
naman.
once, ha?
But 4 times. Hindi
times,
ko rin
ha?
alam ba't kailangan
Wow.
magparusa sa sarili,
Correct.
Race director. I've joined a couple of his races, duathlon, and the driving force behind the Philippine multi-sports community. In fact, nakasama ko rin siya sa aking job sa sports. He was once the president of underwater hockey. He's a very strong driving force in the Philippine multi-sports community and the father and founder of SwimBikeRun.ph. So please, it is an honor to welcome a good friend of mine, Carlos de Guzman.
Woohoo!
Welcome, Carlos.
Hello.
Thank
Welcome!
you for joining
Thank you for
us.
guesting.
Pleased to be here.
Thank you.
in the
Thank you so
very
much.
Famous.
No, of
podcast
course.
Of yours.
We wish.
Thank you for joining your advocacy.
subscribers na ba?
7 na.
10 million na.
7
million na kami.
7 pieces of our very loyal.
Oo, correct.
Okay.
Tatlo dun kamag-anak pa namin.
At maraming complaints pa.
Yes.
Oh, saka todo setup pala dito.
Oh, wow. Really?
Of course, of
Thank
course.
you to our
But thank you
J+
again for
family.
guesting kasi ang dami namin tanong. Handa ka na ba?
Handa na.
Oh.
Saka ilalaban ko yung isa intro nyo kasi
Ano
isang
ba?
araw lang daw yung Father's Day. Ilalaban ko gawin 2.
Gawin
2
to.
days.
Ilalabi mo na yon.
Ilalabi
2
ko.
days.
One and a
Tingnan
half.
natin.
Pwede naman
Subukan na-
siguro.
Pwede na.
Tignan natin, ha? Hindi tayo sure dyan.
But how are you, Carlos?
I heard you're raising a baby boy ba?
Yeah.
One.
Kalalabas lang. So, it just turned 1. Ayan. So, marami tayong
back to
pag-uusapan.
puyat?
Yeah, I'm happy to share na yung mga experiences natin na hindi na pala ganun kadali rin. It came as a shock to me na
Kasi you had your first baby na 7-year-old
Yeah, she's
na
turning
now,
7.
no?
Na Alia.
So that was 7 years ago. Kayang-kaya.
I'm
Parang-
45. So,
So kayang-kaya pa. You're in the 30. You're 30.
Late
kaya pa,
30s when
binubuhat
you
ko pa.
had
Saya pa niya.
Alia.
Oh, saya pa, pabuhat ng
Oo.
pabuhat.
Mm.
O ngayon medyo
Ngayon?
natakot na ako kasi ganun din gagawin ko till I'm 70.
Yes.
So, diba, so nagbibilang na ako
So
ngayon.
there's that
oo.
difference talaga. So it validates what we mentioned kanina that the energy may mga changes na rin. Tsaka,
So hindi lang talaga tayo.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
Yeah.
Hindi lang
Ilang
mga
time women.
ante ang may pinagdadaanan in midlife.
Ako, I need to prepare myself na rin.
Mm-hmm.
Yun yung mga naging motivational factors for me.
Correct. Lalo na 1-year-old. So you have a long way to go.
Yeah,
and
one pa
raise.
lang yan, di ba?
Exactly.
So starting to walk pa lang.
I know, wala pang terrible twos yan. Good luck sa'yo.
Wala pa. kaya.
Wala, oo.
So, I'm happy
what
to be
what
here.
preparation are you doing pag ganun?
Sa sports, hindi na ako masyado nagre-race.
Mhm.
Pero I'm starting to get into swimming again.
Mhm.
Run,
Alam mo, gano'n naman tayo
diba?
eh.
Yun na yun muna.
Hindi mawawala naman
Kumbaga,
yata sa
for
inyo.
me naman, sa family namin, wala naman talaga sporty doon.
Mm.
Pero I think ako personally, I've overachieved na rin. Ang dami ko na
Four-time Ironman. Hello.
Mahirap din yan. Mahirap din.
Grabe yun,
At may peak na
Oo.
wala naman din sa family namin na swimmer dati. Wala. So,
Okay.
wala. Ako lang
Who
talaga.
inspired you to be this
Wala
athletic?
lang. Parang,
Just yun
siguro
lang
may
talaga.
Celtic lang talaga.
Oo, it's a different kind of crazy
Ibang klase.
Yeah, diba?
Ano yung mindset niyo, no?
Saka
Even
sports-
your wife is not athletic?
Nagkakilala kami sa underwater hockey.
Oh, okay.
So, sabi nga nila sa underwater hockey, hindi ka humihingi sa ilalim ng tubig. So, baka yun yung cause.
Yun yung medyo nagkaroon ng cognitive ano.
sa
Oo.
brain?
Yes, I think so.
Marami adjustments. So,
Okay.
yun.
Like-
So, I'm happy to be here. Pag-usapan natin lahat yan.
Yeah, so aside from you have to maintain some sort of a physical activity pa rin.
Yeah.
Sabi mo, nagsiswim ka pa din kahit papano. To cope up with the kids and the family.
I think the swim, for us yung fitness, we at some point talagang maghahanap pa rin tayo ng kailangan may
Naghahanapin
level of
ng
fitness.
katawan niyo pa
And
din.
working out for me is very therapeutic. It's like my alone time
Yeah.
when I do my workout. Is it the same for you?
Interesting nga kasi 'di ba? We do triathlons. So parang kung babalik ka, which is easier to do? You swim again, bike again, run again. I noticed na yung running, mahirap pa rin eh. Bumalik.
Mahirap,
Kasi I'm on the
mahirap.
heavier side na rin.
Masakit
So,
na
masakit sa tuhod,
masakit sa anong what ails you, 'di ba? Yun yung
Oo.
anong masakit this week.
Oh,
Yun yung maganda na 4-time Ironman siya and now he's 45 is feeling the difference. Siguro yung mga nanonood na mensal, I feel normal, I feel nakaka-relate somehow. You know,
Kaya marami
for
ka,
everyone to feel.
napag-usasan nyo nga, yung pinaka-biggest hurdle is, thinking na kaya mo pa. You have to get over that. Yun yung pinaka-number one.
Can you expound on that? Ang daming ganong husband.
Maraming
Dami.
ganong
Kailangan
midlife
there has to be
uncle.
an acceptance na hindi ka na ganun. Hindi mo na kaya yung PRs na yun. But you can still do it. So, iba na yung goal mo instead of yung PR. Gusto mo na yung mas magagawa mo siya
Sorry,
on a
ano
longer
yung PR?
basis.
Personal record.
Sorry naman.
It's okay.
Sabay na sabay.
It's okay. It's
Happy
okay.
PR kayong dalawa.
It's okay.
Okay.
So hindi, napapansin mo kasi you were a race director too.
Yes,
You're a
yes.
seasoned race director.
Yeah.
Ang pinakamaraming participation sa age grouper natin, mga midlife men.
Marami. Lalo na sa tri-series. Yun yung,
Yes.
That's what we're really proud sa races namin. Kasi, aside from beginners sila, ang karamihan ng mga sumasali, second biggest, yung mga bumabalik.
Yes, mga returning
Yung
comeback ng mga
retirees na gusto pa rin
Oo.
gusto pa rin sumali sa sports but they can longer join the big one.
That's right.
Masakit na eh.
Oo,
Diba?
oo.
Sa hindi mo na siya kaya pagkagising mo, race ka agad.
Tsaka siguro wala na kailangang i-prove yung mga
Yeah.
yan.
So I
Just
think
for
generally
fun
the
lang.
question is, sila yung pinakamarami, no? Yung mga
Yeah.
midlife uncles
Dami.
natin, ang
Sobrang
dami. So is it a general na I wanna come back to prove myself that I'm strong, or is it more of mental wellness? What do you think
No,
is of your midlife uncles?
I think
Oh.
they just want to have fun again. Kasi somewhere along the way, when you're training and racing, 'di ba? There's this goal. Magiging chore
Medyo
na
competitive.
siya. Magiging chore na siya eh.
Ah.
And if you notice, triathlon is an individual sport.
Yes.
So
yes.
if you're training alone, nakaka
So iniisip mo rin yung PR mo. Ay wow, may natutunan.
Diba? Sasali ka na. Next.
No! Still
August
no.
Meron sa August. Gusto mo? Never too late.
Thanks, guys.
Ako nang bahala sa slot. Anyway,
Laban na lang
yun yung
kayo.
pinakamahirap na. Parang, you have to go through it. Eventually, it will no longer be fun. Eh. Ako, I experienced it. It's a cycle.
Parang na-take off mo na yun sa
It's a
box.
cycle,
Ganun
yeah.
ba siya?
Kunwari, you did the sprint, tas Olympic distance, half Ironman, then the full. What's next?
Yes.
Diba? You can't keep going longer naman.
Exactly.
It has to be fun.
It
diba?
has to be fun.
Pleasurable. And what's challenging kasi is the race is just kumbaga siya lang yung nag-commence nun eh. But the training, preparing is something else. You're training for 3 sports. Swim, bike, run.
Yeah.
Right.
It's months
So
of
it's
prep.
interesting talaga to get from the point of view of our midlife uncles kasi yun na nga marami talagang participants sa age grouper eh, diba?
Yeah.
But they go through, is it the same like they have feel physical changes, mental changes? Kasi diba, I'm sure, sumusungit na ang mga uncle. Alam mo yun, kung
So ano
masungit
nga,
ang
yung
mga
mga
ante.
physical changes na yun.
Madami kasi parang for me, I do regular videos. Gumagawa ko. Parang sinasabi ko lang doon, I keep on stressing na it's okay to be slow. It's okay to be new again. Yun lang naman yun eh. At least maging happy ka uli sa ginagawa mo. I think yun yung goal ng lahat.
Parang hindi pipilitin.
Oh, magawa mo lang din kasi biggest hurdle nga uli starting over again. And to do that, you have to as a competitive, if you're a competitive athlete, you have to forget na you were that fast before.
Actually, parang meron akong konting relate doon. Konti lang. Sa gym, di ba? Parang if you wanna go back to the gym, pero yung bago ka talaga mag-step sa gym, ang tagal. Parang it's so hard. So baka...
Yung mga tita
somehow
naman, I'll buy
similar.
a new bike and
Oo.
upgrade my new bike.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero
Saka-
may hurdle na konting nahihirapan.
Meron, there's a
Enter back.
very specific, alam mo eh, yung hurdle na yun na kailangan tanggapin mo talaga na you're starting over again.
And hindi ka na kagaya
Oh,
before.
yun yung favorite quote ko nga, never forget your beginner spirit.
Never
That's a very good,
nice.
that's a very good
Kasi
reminder.
that's why you started naman. Diba? Yeah.
So in terms of, let's say, yun nga, you went back to swimming again. Was it harder now na may recovery ba yan? Kasi ako pag nag-gym ka, diba, usually, ang tagal na nitong pinag-uusapan ko
Yeah.
na gym na to. The day after, ang sakit ng katawan ko.
The day after lang ba? Hindi, parang 5 working days ka.
Oh, yung mga ganon. Hindi na ako makakabalik ulit sa gym. Baka next month na ulit.
Oo, next month.
So, I was younger pa back then, but I don't know, ngayon, mas
Sa akin,
mahirap ba?
ginawa ko, I formed a swim club. So, SBR Swim Club naman yan, just to promote. Pero hindi siya competitive. Hindi siya, kasi kung may triathlon team ka, kahit paano yung sessions nyo, tedious pa rin.
Oo.
It's really just a parang run club but for swimming.
So, ang nakukuha ko kay Carlos ngayon is parang everything is from doing it with para maging fun ulit.
That's right. Oo.
Yeah, yun lang yun.
Yun lang yun. For this, at this stage.
Kasi
Hindi mo na kailangan.
maraming participants sa age grouper or they're midlifers and executives.
Yeah.
'Di ba? They just want to, I guess, to get away from it all, from the responsibilities of work and family, and then
Tsaka
they
mental
become
clarity,
that
no?
men again.
Yeah. 'Di ba? Na parang iba pa rin eh kung nagbabike ka, kunyari nakaya mo pa. Yun lang na maramdaman mo lang uli.
Na maramdaman mong buhay ka ulit.
No, nakaya mo.
Oh, yun na nga. Yun. So, shout out to my husband kasi nag-volleyball siya. Yung mga
See?
kasama niya,
Oo.
puro mga bata. Tapos, makikipag parang labanan siya doon.
Sabi mo,
kung hindi
mag-ingat
mo na
siya,
kaya.
ha?
Kaya nga.
naman ako.
Wala
Mag-ingat
na.
siya ka mo,
Sabi ko, dati oo, kaya mo makapagsabayan, pero hindi na ngayon. So, yun
Wala
yung...
nang wala nang lateral.
Kahit sa
Oo,
akin,
eh.
Bojo, na parang tumigil ka ng basketball mo, hindi mo na kaya. Not because I do not believe in him,
Oo.
but sometimes it's the body already.
Yeah.
Correct. At saka medyo intense din yung volleyball eh. Siguro mag-start muna ng, I don't know what sport. Siguro, I mean, nagsistart siya ng table tennis now because my
Oo.
son plays eh.
Yeah.
Yun, medyo light lang. Pero yung volleyball kasi may parule-rule pang nagaganap dun eh. Parang hindi mo na siya kaya ngayon.
Have you ever tried playing volleyball?
Volleyball, yeah. Pero hindi ganun ka-intense na nakikita ko na ginagawa.
Hindi kasi, di ba, he used to be with Lasal.
Yes.
So, medyo intense talaga.
Intense yung training nila doon. Pero years ago. Pero ngayon, sa work, yung mga nag-volleyball na co-worker siya, I discourage that kind of activity muna. Sabi ko, table tennis.
So, anong ginagawa ngayon ni Tito Lor?
Nagte-table tennis muna siya.
Okay.
Because medyo lumalakas na yung energy niya ngayon.
Bakit? Ano bang wellness solution niya ngayon?
Ay, dahil nga sa mga kaano natin, sa mga solusyon na hinahanapan natin. Gusto niya kasi talagang mag-sports ulit. But lately nga, hindi ko siya pinayagan. So sabi ko, we have to have yourself checked.
Buti na lang si husband, shooting lang ang gusto sa buhay.
ano bang activity? May activity ba yung ano
Upper
yun?
body
More
naman.
on ano yun ha?
Mental.
More on
Oo,
mental.
oo,
So,
oo.
babalik na ba siya sa basketball or
Hindi, maglalakad na lang kami.
maglalakad na lang?
Okay na yun, mahirap din 10,000 steps ah.
Oo. Pero ako
Ginagawa niyo ba?
before 11 a.m. tapos na ako sa 10,000.
Matagal eh.
Kami naglalakad around the village.
Mm.
But aside from that, he really wants to move fast. Yung parang, siguro nga hinanap na katawan niya yung volleyball or what. Kasi nga, yung husband ko, diba, as you know, works for a fintech company. Puyat siya, kulang sa tulog, kulang sa energy. Tapos hahatid pa niya yung son ko sa training ng table tennis. So, naiinggit lang siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, sige, papayagan ka ta, but you have to have some sort of kailangan matulog ka na maaga, huwag ka na mapuyat. So, yun na nga, ante. So, sabi ko sa kailangan niya mag-supplement. So, we found this supplement na Z-Man, yung name. I think I gave it to your assistant para mabigay kay Boss.
Yeah, I will ask Eliza later.
Te, bibigyan na kita. Meron ako ngayon.
Hi!
So, here.
Barangay handa.
Ay, syempre.
Laging handa.
So, yan yung ginagamit ni Lori ngayon. So, that's the reason why pinayagan ko na siya mag-sports ulit. So, ngayon, habang dinadala niya si Drevin sa training niya, hindi na lang siya nagwa-watch ngayon. So, kaya niya nang maglaro ulit.
Oh, okay.
It's not as intense as volleyball na may bangga ang nagaganap. But at least
The fact that he's moving.
he's moving and then
Yeah.
step by the step ba?
So,
So this is a multivitamins. Parang ni-replace na niya yung multivitamins niya dito. Ante kasi may zinc to. May zinc.
may L-carnitine.
May L-carnitine. So, ibig sabihin,
May pampapayat.
yung man boobs
Okay.
niya, pwedeng mawala na yung man boobs niya. Pero wait, hindi pa tayo ganun katagal nagtitake nito. So, hopefully, mawala yung man boobs niya dyan. Pero ang ano lang dyan, may biotin. Ang biotin is para sa hair. Tignan natin kung tutubo yung hair niya.
Oh.
Alam niyo na, pag mataas ang energy, mataas ang performance, kasi nga, pampaano to?
Pampaano?
Pampapogi! Pampapogi.
Pampa.
Nakita mo si Tito Lord, di ba?
Oo,
Pumogi na.
Parang pumogi siya.
At may I just add, ante.
Mm.
So, ito na nga. So, syempre, mataas ang energy ng Uncle Lawrence mo. Pag mataas ang energy, mataas ang performance.
Ooh.
Sa
So,
trabaho.
this is Pampa.
Yes! Pampapogi.
Pogi.
Pampapogi to, ate.
Pampapogi. Mm.
At saka
Tibay ng loob.
Pampatibay ng loob.
Pampa.
Sa pampaha,
Banang
Pasensya
pasensya.
sa akin.
Yes.
Oo. Try nyo lang. I'm just saying.
Ako magta-try.
Hindi, patry nyo na kay
Pwede ba
Bojo.
sa-
Bojo. Sige, sige.
ano ba sa babae?
Hindi panglalaki siya
Panglalaki.
talaga. So, so may L-carnitine nga, tapos may zinc pa yan, vitamin B1, B2. Nireplace na talaga niya yung multivitamins niya.
So,
Because of,
my question is this generally safe for your regular uncle in midlife?
actually, nung binili namin to, so I was thinking, patesting muna kami sa doctor. Right? Para hindi natin kasi. So, pwede din magpa-test sa doctor. Pero kasi kami, tinignan namin, halos pareho ng multivitamins that he's taking. So, hindi na namin pina-check. Yeah, yun yung difference. Mas extend yung kanyang energy.
Sa akin nagpadala ng sample na to, di ba? So, I tried it for
Oh.
5 days pa?
Mm-mm.
Ilan days na yan?
If it's really just your regular vitamins, I think this would
Kasi,
be...
ano siya, for men eh. So,
Aside from, I don't know, you can
Yeah.
butt in. Pero I think now that we're talking about perimenopause and menopause, midlife in women, this is often not talked about in men naman.
Yeah.
Yung mga pinagdadaanan ng ating mga partners sa buhay. So if there's one thing that you can share with us in terms of physically, mentally, ano yung mga changes na you
may
wish
na-notice ka ba?
Aleta would know?
Marami sa lalo na 30s, 20s, 30s, 40s. I've been open about it. I talk about it
That's
a lot.
nice.
Kasi nga parang it came as a shock to me.
Paano yung shock?
Yung 20, grabe kasi before 20. So training kami for Ironmans. And then may underwater hockey pa. Then Saturday, after ng long ride, may underwater hockey training kami. And then gising, wala nang tulog pa-party pa.
Oo,
This is
diba?
in the
Lasing
20s,
pa, oo,
Lasing.
lasing.
Oo,
Tapos hindi ka na uuwi kasi may fun run pa early in the morning.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Diba? So 30s, yan, bumabawas-bawas na yun. 40s, wala na.
Wala na.
Pero alam mo,
Because hindi na...
Hindi na kaya rin.
Hindi na
Saka
kaya
may with the family.
yes,
din.
with the
It's
family.
impossible.
And I
It's
think
impossible.
culturally din, you know the Filipino uncles, they
Mm-mm.
don't really want to talk about it.
Yeah.
Or pagtatawanan.
Yeah.
Diba? So, pero this is really a legitimate conversation also.
Yeah.
I mean, we talk about our journey in
Yeah.
midlife as women, what we're going through. But our partners, we cannot keep asking for support if we do not understand
Correct.
where you guys, yung mga journey nyo rin naman in midlife. So, how do you think that, your regular Filipino
Yeah.
uncle could really navigate this phase in your life?
Yeah. Kaya okay rin na in Facebook there are daddy groups.
Yeah.
So,
there
I don't know
is,
if you know
okay.
about that. So, meron din daddy support.
Parang bakit meron di namin alam yun?
Kailangan yun ng support,
Naka-private.
ah.
Naka-private, no? Okay.
Kaya hindi ko sinabi yung
Noted
name.
yan.
Hindi ko sinabi
Okay,
yung name.
yes,
Sinabi ko
sinabi-
lang na meron.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko sinabi yung name. Pero,
Secret nila. Pues
Just so
one day lang Father's Day nyo.
oh. So, just so you know, meron din nun. So, parang it encourages other dads lang to. Ako, I made it a point to be more open. Na it's really different. It's really harder now. Plus, yun nga sabi mo, there's a stigma na yun.
Yeah.
You have to overcome that. Yung
Okay.
stigma na you always have to be strong, you always have to be
Yeah.
there.
Kasi kayo yung
Go on the
pillar,
go, go,
oo.
go, 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 go.
Dads and our partners are the pillar of
Yeah.
our families.
Sa threads, marami rin.
Marami na bang hugot ang mga
Ano yung usual
uncle
na
natin?
ano
Marami.
nila
Ako,
doon?
I'm open about it. Sabi ko, it's okay
That's
to say na
cool.
you're tired.
Yeah, I think yung one thing na kasi
Yeah.
ang expectations natin sa ating mga daddy, mga partners natin, pillar ka ng bahay, haligi ka eh.
Yeah.
Dapat hindi ka napapagod.
The same way na sa babae, parang feeling natin, dapat di tayo napapagod. Pero
So may
dapat,
pinagdadaanan pala mga uncles
Yeah,
natin.
marami. Ako, I'm open about it. Kaya sinasabi ko now, hindi ko na kaya, I'm tired.
Oh, that's good. I mean, giving yourself that grace to acknowledge. Kasi ang daming mga uncle dyan, hindi, I'm all this, all that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So how do you think, can we break that?
Matagal kasi stigma na rin siya. Pero if I'm tired, I'll say I'm tired. Na hindi ko na kaya.
Mentally and physically.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
More on, kasi mentally, sometimes you think, kaya mo pa. Pero physically, hindi na talaga. Kulang na yung hours in a day.
Right.
Tama.
And then what do you do? Do you sleep more? Do you meditate more? I don't know what do you
Nag-try
guys do
ako
ba?
ng meditation. Siguro mga 3 araw lang. Hindi ko kinaya eh.
It's not for you.
Nabasa ko para okay daw yan eh. Paggising mo, meditate
Oh,
ka
yeah.
5 minutes.
Breathing.
Pero
So
hindi ko
how do
alam
you-
paano ako meditate. Ako ganun.
Hindi not necessarily. It's just a quiet time, mindful
Mas
breathing.
Yeah.
mental yung ganun, ano?
Yeah.
Relaxation.
Kasi I know, like, tayo, we go through periods of anxiety. And we don't know where it's coming from. And I'm sure, our partners too,
Yeah.
hindi nyo lang pinapahalata.
Yeah, hindi kasi pwedeng sabihin eh. Di ba? Parang the pressure
I think
of
that's
being-
rather sad, Carlos.
Yeah.
I think it's sad na, that you don't, our partners wouldn't tell us where you at physically or mentally.
That's why there are dad groups na you don't know about. Pero,
Correct.
hindi,
Ano yung mga sinasabi nila doon? Curious ako.
hindi. Yung ano lang yan,
Usually.
hindi pa rin ganun ka-open yung mga tao doon. Meron pa rin.
Mga
pero
maraming
The
lurkers.
stigma is
Oo,
strong
the
pa din,
stigma.
no?
stigma strong na
I mean, sa amin ang physical, mental, sexual changes.
Yeah.
And I'm sure
yeah.
the uncles also will never admit it na you are
Oo.
not exactly in your 20s, ha?
Correct.
Oo, I mean the performance-wise. I wanna talk about
Oo.
this. This is a safe space to talk
Yeah,
about it. Filipino men in midlife would openly talk about because we're big on machismo.
Correct, correct.
So, 'di ba? So, while we are aging, our partners are aging also. So, how is it? I don't know if it's a conversation that would
Yeah.
be open in the next 5 to 10 years.
Through sports ko ginagawa. Parang slowly coming back to swimming, tas running. Yun lang eh. Tas hopefully, everything falls into place. Pero kasi you cannot do all that if you're not in the right mindset din.
That's right.
Correct.
Gano'n ka
So,
powerful
anong
ang ano.
advice
Yeah.
mo dun sa mga uncle natin na just wants to go back
Just have fun.
any
Kal-
fun activity?
Any fun activity na you
Like yung shooting.
used to do as a
ganyan.
kid.
Because I think, ha,
Yun.
men, regardless of if you're 45, 50, 60, you guys will be forever 12.
Yeah, yung utak pa rin naman namin,
For
Hindi
fun.
naman
Fun.
kami put us in a place na yun lang yung ginagawa namin, what we love.
Oo.
Okay na kami dun.
Hindi man
Kasi
sila
buong araw kami.
complicated.
Hindi
no?
sila kasing complicated nating mga babae.
Oo, totoo
I
naman
think,
yun.
no?
Oo.
I mean, they're forever 12-year-old kids. So makikita mo sa mga toys
Yeah.
nila, naging expensive lang, pero pretty much it's the same
Oo,
toys
oo.
from when they
Dati mga, ano ba? Ngayon, mga
Yung pa rin,
bike na
parang-
mga kalahating
Oo.
milyong bisikleta lang naman.
Oo.
Ganon,
Mga
ganon na.
Ganon lang. Ano ba?
Parang-
maliit na bagay.
Bumili ako ng yung Dimos.
Yeah.
Napanood
Oo,
Yeah.
yes.
So, yun.
Nung mga time na yon, but ngayon pa din ba?
Oh, I
Parang
just bought
nostalgia, Wow!
Bumili ako.
So
I told you,
whatever
they're
it is
just
that
12.
Parang 12.
Oh, yung mga Marvel.
Oh,
Kukulik
okay.
ako.
So
Just
pwede
to
pa
hear
rin yun,
the,
just to
di ba nauso nga inner child?
Yes, you heal your inner child
Oo.
by ano?
Sino ba tong inner child na to?
Hindi
Lagi
ko
ko
alam.
naririnig to.
Reason to buy.
To buy, oo.
Oh,
They're
that's her
12-year-old with
excuse.
money.
Oh, okay.
They're still 12.
I gotta use that.
Yes.
Oh.
No, okay.
Actually, ang bottom line dito sa conversation natin is healthy aging.
Mm.
Okay?
Which
not-
is, we are advocating,
Yeah.
especially
Exactly.
you, ate.
What is your advice?
Iba eh. Parang, kasi ako, I get to be around guys sa swim club. Mga
Yeah.
bata yung iba.
Mabata. Oh.
Iba rin. So, I'm in social media also.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
handle social media of my brands.
Oo.
So, iba na rin yung attack. Kung makikita mo.
Oo.
It's an adventure then to be able to relate sa mga 20s, 30s, 40s. Iba rin yung style na eh. Iba yung style ng posting, iba yung style ng captions.
Pero in terms of responsiveness ng mga ka-age mong uncles.
Nakita ng mga, yung mga older triathletes. That's why I noticed, I started being open mga last year. Ang daming nagbalik. Yung mga,
Nagbalik loob, no?
I just want to, magme-message sa akin. Ang dami if I can only show the screenshots. Parang, I'm gonna join your race again. They've been retired for 5 years.
To get the fun back.
Yeah.
No, not that na family life is not
So,
fun.
men
but
are really
talagang
simple, no?
nakakabisi.
They're not as complicated as us. Kasi tayo, parang dami nating ganap sa buhay sa kanila. Just bring back to their happy place. You know, I think, yun yung
Gusto naman natin. Kaya lang nga, worried tayo sa physical
Yeah.
limitations
Yes,
nila eh.
yes.
So,
You have to be aware din. Kunwari, syempre, hindi mo na kaya. you have to be aware na
Oh, yung mga uncle,
kailangan tanggapin niyo yun.
Yes,
Tanggapin. At
yes.
saka kailangan may proper diet din siguro.
Oo.
Sleep hygiene.
Yes,
Tama
yes.
ba?
Oo.
Kasi nakakatakot din, di ba?
Oh,
Past
yeah.
few
Correct.
years.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Correct.
Magulat ka
Actually,
na lang
not even midlife, Athletes who are way younger,
na fit.
na fit, and all of a sudden, what happens? You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's something.
Essentially, consult a doctor din
Yeah, ultimately.
muna and then before you move on to any physical activity.
Kailan ba kayo last nagpa-physical?
Nako,
Kami,
ako,
madalas.
madalas.
Kasi nga, we're in the
That's
stage.
sweet.
But my husband,
Yeah.
Tsaka
Tagal.
ang
I'm still
duduwag nyo,
convincing.
oh my God, ang duduwag ninyo,
ang duduwag nyo.
say?
Totoo ba, Carlos? Ang duduwag nyo?
Well, hindi pa ako nagpapaganon.
There you go.
Exactly, there
But
you go.
nasa plano na nag-i-inquire na ako.
I mean,
nag-i-inquire na ako.
oh,
Nag-i-inquire
gentlemen
na
ha,
ako, oh.
we are advocating for women's health. You know, advocate for screening, for your pap smear, for your blood work. But to your partners,
Yeah.
when you're over 40, please get your screening on colonoscopy and endoscopy.
Isabay na ninyo
PSA,
sa atin.
PSA what's that?
Magsabay na kayo ni Aleta.
Ano ba yung PSA?
Piece of advice.
No,
Diba?
no.
Public service announcement.
Hindi yung sa eggs ba?
Philippine Statistics
No,
Authority.
yung sa eggs na
Eggs.
boys.
Ano?
Egg.
oh?
Parang
Ano?
may buzzer.
Yung ganun, yung sa balls ng boys.
Itlog? Ano yan?
I know.
Whatever. Nakaka-prostrate
Magpa-prostate
ka.
exam kayo kasi ang mga babae sa breast cancer, di ba, very common.
Correct.
Sa Filipino men naman, ang common is the prostate cancer.
Cancer, oo.
So the sooner you get yourself tested,
Parang yung boobs natin, balls nila.
balls nila.
Okay.
Yes.
Ano ba yun?
Yes.
Apparently.
Oh my God,
oo.
you did not get
Hindi ko alam.
You get tested.
Ay, susuntukin ka na.
Oh,
You get tested. Colonoscopy, endoscopy.
okay.
So,
Endoscopy, sapat ba yun?
Dental kasama ba yan?
wag na nga dental eh. Pag ano na
Okay.
natin eh. Pero basic na basic.
So, bottom line, consult your doctor, have your supplement, your diet, sleep hygiene before you go back to any activity at this stage.
Yes.
For men.
Yes.
So, the screening is important too.
Screening.
So, you were saying, Ante, that
Sa akin lang let's help our life partners feel strong and confident in everything they do. I mean, as aunties, we gotta support our partners too.
Okay.
So it could be as simple as giving them the supplement.
or booking them an appointment sa screening
Sa
nila.
screening ng colonoscopy
Correct,
and PSA. PSA, ha? Oh. Mm-mm.
Nasa kwarto ba kayo doon? Pag,
No, ay hindi ko sure.
Magdala ka na lang ng picture.
Picture. So let's help our life partners feel strong and confident in everything they do. It could be as simple as providing them a supplement that they need in midlife.
Correct. Lalayo pa ba tayo?
Lalayo pa ba tayo? And then get them, the annual testing for the man parts. It's a simple act of love and service.
So of course, Ante, Zeman can be the daily wellness nga of our husbands. Kaya nga, in-advocate ko rin yan na mag-supplement na rin talaga yung
So, a question ko lang,
Athletes natin.
paano kung mainom ko to? Tutubo ba yung bigote ko?
magkakabigote ka, Ante.
Magkakabigote ako, tsaka bababa ang boses
Hindi
ko.
naman siguro. Try natin! Para malaman natin.
alam nyo, try natin lahat ngayon.
Oo, sabay-sabay
No, okay na ako.
Nakuha ka tubig.
Trip lang.
Oo, hindi. Okay na ako.
Because of this, nagka-energy si Lor mag-sports. Again.
Among other things.
Yes.
I'm so happy.
Excited ka bang gamitin?
Yes.
Ask ko lang din kay Carlos, what do you think is healthy aging? I mean, sa inyo ngayon, in your age.
Point of view ng mga uncle. Anong healthy aging sa inyo?
Healthy aging siguro. Looking good in a suit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yung lapat,
Diba? At
no?
least naman lang, yun na lang yung naging goal ko at least. Short term. At least makapag-suit.
Realistic,
Kasi
yeah.
we're doing, sa businesses din, we're doing more meetings. So I'm also into real estate. Segway.
Correct,
Ayan.
correct.
So, nakaka-meet mo yung mga clients, hindi na rin pwede yung puro, lousy lang. Kailangan you look the part din eh.
Yeah, dapper.
Yeah.
pero kasi dati, madali yun sa inyo to lose weight or your bulge. Ngayon, hirap na.
Hirap
So,
na.
effort.
Effort na talaga siya.
siya.
Saka parang, yun na nga, yung achievement mo before is, winning, yung mga ganun. Iba na ngayon parang doing this, to be able to do this long term, yun na yung goal mo.
So, yan yung sinasabi niya na iba na yung version mo of strong this time. Dati,
Yeah.
iba yung version na yun. Ano yung dati sa ngayon na version na meaning ng
Yeah.
stronger?
Strong before in the 20s, 30s, winning. Di ba?
Winning.
Beating the competition.
Competitive.
Being at the top. Pero yun nga, parang ngayon, mas gusto mo na lang, iba na yung mindset eh. Hindi na, it's not about beating other people. It's how you can do this longer
Exactly.
for the rest of your life.
Exactly. And it's ever changing, even us. Iba nga ang version ko ng winning last January sa winning ng May. More so, kung yung mga stages in life, 20s, 30s, 40-year-old and
Yeah.
50-year-old version of yourself, I think it's ever-changing. And we just gotta forgive ourselves for, having this different version of what is strong in your 40s.
At saka grabe naman yung mga achievements na ninyo.
Exactly.
I mean,
Us, yeah.
Saka
This
para
age.
sa may mga family rin, kunwari, you see your kids, you already won.
That's right.
Diba? So
Everyone
parang,
is, yeah.
what else do you need?
Exactly.
Yung mga,
Nothing to prove.
kuwari,
Nothing.
medal lang, trophy, you can let that go na.
So is it safe to say what you're saying is before medyo self-focus,
Yeah.
winning, competitive, you're achieving all these now that medyo ganitong edad na tayo, you've done everything for yourself, family focus na.
From what I remember, pinost ko ata to before, parang ngayon may fallback ka na. Kunwari, if you don't win, you always have
It's fine.
You've
better things na.
Yeah,
You've
and you're
achieved
winners
a
in
lot
other
already.
facet in your life. You won in your family, in your career.
Yeah.
So it's not just all about, achieving podium finish.
So I
Right?
think yun din kaya yung iba, hindi na rin nagiging competitive masyado.
Mm.
Kaya naging natural flow na siya. Ngayon mas enjoy na siya.
Mm-mm.
You really
Iba
have to
ang
say-
fitness in midlife.
You really have to say it na parang, nope, hindi ko na kaya yung sub 110K.
So nakakapag-no
Kaya
na
pa.
kayo.
Yeah.
Dapat mag-no na.
Yeah, kaya pa naman pero it'll take a lot of time, especially coming from zero. And you have to realize na yung fitness nawawala pala talaga. Diba? No matter how fit you were,
Back in the day, yeah.
nawawala siya, nauubos. So ako, I had a hard time struggling with that. Kasi parang yung...
And for you to actually admit it.
Oh,
Huh?
coming from him,
Yeah,
no?
coming from
I
him.
don't mind. I don't mind.
That's very,
It's actually strong. Oo.
I have another question. In terms of masculinity, how do you define masculinity? Has it changed?
Oh, hindi na siya, ano ba? Pag masculinity ba, muscle?
No, like overall as a man.
Yeah, when you're a father. Parang yun yung may certain criteria ka.
So may kanya-kanyang definition.
Oh, iba-iba eh. Sobrang iba rin.
Parang feeling ko yung masculinity before, yung mga younger men, tama ka eh.
Yeah.
Muscle.
You
Mga
have to
muscle,
be strong.
feeling strong, ganun eh.
Parang,
Ngayon, hindi...
iba na siya eh.
natin.
Parang more on the mindset na.
Mindset, yeah.
Doon na siya doon na siya nagfo-focus on. Hindi na doon sa physical.
Six-pack and then winning.
Yeah,
and,
diba? Hindi na physical aspects.
What outdated expectations should men, Filipino men, let go of?
Siguro iba na rin kasi yung dynamics now eh. Women are stronger now din.
Yes!
Oh, are we?
Diba?
Yes,
I
we
think
are.
so.
It's always
Diba?
been.
Yeah.
Diba?
It's
And
been stronger.
yung iba, parang women, you have to let them grow din on their own. You have to let them flourish. Ako,
Diba? Very progressive. I
yeah,
like that.
that's what I did with
Oo.
my wife when she started her real estate business. I
Yeah.
supported her.
And I think our partners,
Mm-mm.
the Gen X men and the millennials men, the uncles, ano na rin sila eh, willing to listen eh.
Yeah.
'Diba? Kasi
Yeah,
gone are the
acknowledge-
days yung mga tito nating talagang, wala yan, ano yan. You know,
Correct.
they're more...
Gusto ko yung impersonation mo na yun. But yeah, ganun na nga. Wala na yung mga ganun dati. And our husbands are very supportive of what we're doing. They acknowledge na most women are getting higher education, diba?
Getting the C-suit.
Exactly, the career nila. And support is really given by the husbands nowadays as opposed to yung mga nanay-nana natin before or yung ibang mga moms dyan na talagang very limited yung support that they get from their husbands, which is a good thing. So, naiiba yung mindset.
And it's
So,
very empowering din. Like, ako, I have a daughter. So, I like to see women who succeed.
that's nice.
That's right, that's right.
I'm very particular on Women's Month. Dati ginagawa ko yan. Yung website na SBR, ginagawa kong pink.
That's
naman.
wonderful. That's
That's
wonderful.
good. Sana-
marami
sana
akong
all ganon,
marami
no?
akong mga ganon.
Sana all
It's
ganon.
not for anything, but part lang ng advocacy ko yun.
Tama naman.
Lalo na now, I have a girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
More you're a girl dad, but you're
Yeah.
also a boy dad.
Oh, mas girl dad pa rin, pero
Kasi
makikita mo
baby
si
pa yung
Boy.
isa eh, oo.
Makikita mo si Boy, mas ano talaga sa mom.
Sa mom talaga. No?
Which I'm happy
Like
about
that.
kasi she's getting her time naman.
Yes,
Tama,
yes.
tama.
Diba? I openly tell her na, yun, mas magiging dikit sa yan. For sure. Kasi that's how I was with my
Kasi
mom.
ano kami, boy moms kami pareho.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So forever ano kami. Forever mama's boy yung mga anak namin.
Oh.
Correct. Forever babysit.
Yes.
Nakakatuwa rin kasi, kunwari, ngayon, may boy na, di ba? Kung bibili ka ng toys, hindi
Damay ka na.
Hindi ka na sa dolls pupunta. Pupunta na doon na ako sa mga blue.
Oo
yung mga,
nga. damay ka na.
Oo.
So, mas justified na yung Dimos.
Okay na yan. Lalaroin na naman niya eh, di ba? So, okay na.
Correct. So, has aging made you more comfortable in your own skin? Can you say that?
Yeah, parang, I have white hair. Parang okay naman siya.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Kasi family ko naman may white hair talaga, 'di ba? So parang naisip ko na lang parang Richard Gere.
Actually, oo.
Actually, men get away with it. Men get away with it. Us women, parang, oh my God, the sumpa is here.
Sa women, no? I think it's part of the stigma rin kasi sa babae na parang...
Although, I gotta give it to the aunties. Talagang they're owning it, going all silver. Ako, nandun pa ako sa...
Same, ako din. Nagtatanggal pa ako ng white hair.
ng sumpa.
So, I think it's a long process nga, as you mentioned.
But I think men get away with it. It's more parang, wow, seasoned. Salt and pepper.
Mas matindi yung mindset.
Diba?
Actually nakalimutan ko lang magkulay.
Yung pala yun. Okay.
Kaya pinaganda ko lang.
This is what I wanna ask, Carla. What pressures do men carry that you guys rarely talk about?
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah, marami. Parang most of the, if you're a father, everything that goes with it. Hindi naman sinasabi lahat yan, di ba?
Hindi lang kayo father, you are partners, your spouses,
Yep, exactly.
you are employees or business people, you are also sons to your parents.
Yes.
So ano yung mga you wish we knew?
Parang syempre, yun nga, napapagod din. Diba? I think a lot of men don't talk about. Na you get tired din.
Or hindi nyo lang ma-express?
Hindi nyo lang ma-express. Kaya, pag naging sa husband yun, drive lang sila dyan, wala.
Hayaan na.
Hayaan mo na.
Hayaan mo na.
Doon lang. Kung tumambay lang sa garage or something.
Hayaan mo na. Kahit matagal siya doon.
Or sa banyo, matagal.
Yeah.
So baka matigas yung yung poops niya.
Constipated.
Constipated.
Alam mo, nasa isip mo.
Ano yung mga conversations that men are not having enough of?
Yung mga nararamdaman lang nila, being very open. Hindi rin parang do you really sit down na parang
baka kasi iniisip nyo it's a sign of weakness to talk about your feelings.
Actually, di naman sila uy, coffee tayo, pre.
Oo.
So, upo sila, pre, musta na, pre? Hindi gaya
diba?
sa atin that we need our girls.
Yeah.
Kahit na supportive yung husband natin, we just need our girl time.
Yeah.
Ang men, walang...
Ang guys kasi, kita tayo. Yun na yun. Walang plano. Funny nga,
pero you don't share.
Wala
ba, pre?
Kamusta na? Hindi kami na parang upo tayo doon.
Oo.
Kamusta?
Inis ako sa wifey ko, pre.
Kamusta? Wala yun.
Kasi talagang, knowing the Gen X uncles natin, katakot-takot na asaran yan.
Asaran
Ikaw ba, isang book? Ganon.
Pag may nag-reach out, yun na yung sign mo. Sipot ka na lang, walang tanong-tanong.
Okay.
Minsan they don't wanna, parang just the mere presence of, you guys don't need answers, no?
Actually, minsan, pag, sige, lumabas si Lauren, lumabas siya with this rest. Ano pinag-usapan nyo? Wala siyang masabi.
Wala. Kasi wala naman din talaga.
Wala. Nag-beat kayo,
Diba,
wala lang.
parang sa akin, pag nakipagkita ka sa friend mo, alimbawa, huy, si ganito na ganyan, ano na nangyari? Hindi ko alam. Dapat pati SSS number nun, alam mo na.
Hindi, wala.
Diba, pag nakwento kayo, guys, kailangan kompletuhin nyo. Please.
Wala kang mahihita.
How many times na pag tinanong, ano nangyari? Kamusta? Okay lang.
Oo.
You know, that's driving us crazy.
Correct.
So, dapat pag magkukwento kayo, halimbawa yung kinamatay, namatay si ganito, anong kinamatay? Paano siya namatay?
Correct.
Sino umiiyak nung namatay? Saan ang
Paano yung aso? Yung mga ganon.
Wala na yun.
Wala sa kanila doon.
Straight to the start,
Wala sila
finish
doon.
na agad.
So, kahit tanungin mo sila.
Ganun lang ba wiring ninyo?
Yun lang talaga
And you feel relaxed na and parang okay na ulit kayo. You can go back to
Okay na yun. Once we had that time for ourselves, okay na yun. Nakadrive ka.
Kumpletuhin nyo naman istorya minsan kasi minsan doon na nag-uumpisa yung away. Parang kukwentuhan mo ako tapos hindi kumpleto. Huwag mo na akong kwentuhan.
Minsan nga, sa wife ko, sasabi ko, where are you? Tatanungin ako. Just here in a coffee shop.
You know what I wanna ask also? Their forgetfulness. Are you guys really wired to piss us off and forget things?
I think it's not a midlife thing. Dati pa silang ganon.
Di ba?
Ganun lang talaga. Para kuwari,
Pinaiinit yung ulo namin.
nag-Japan kami. Sa itinerary, wife ko did everything.
Of course.
Okay na, sabi ko, I just wanna focus on landing ako doon. Uwi tayo.
Hindi niyo ba alam nakakainit ng ulo yun?
Diba? Wala na kami pisses my wife off. Sure yun. Kasi siya gagawa ng train.
Yes. Ay, baliktad
sure
naman
na
tayo. Si Lore will do everything.
Oh, swerte
Travel
ka doon.
princess lang ako.
Rare yan.
Swerte ka. Pero for example, yung day-to-day task. For example, well, you know what? I have meeting, ganyan. And
Sa
then the
day-to-day
follow,
kasi ako
day-to-day. Tapos biglang, the following day, tatanong, isa ka pupunta. Tangina kahapon, sinabi ko.
Kakausap
ganito
ko
na,
lang.
Kakausap lang natin. Pero parang, where are
Is that
you?
midlife ba? Or
Is that
even
midlife?
before?
Pagtatanggol
Wiring.
ko yung mga men dito.
Oh, sige, go.
Dati pa ba yan?
Oo.
O ngayon?
Hindi, parang yung ano lang din. Kasi parang tinanong din ako dyan sinend ko na itinerary. Sasabihin ko lang, anong plano for today?
Nabubwisit ka talaga.
Diba? Kaya,
Diba? Ganun nga.
So, it's not midlife. It's really just men are wired to forget things.
yeah, and simple lang talaga eh. Di ba? Parang, we're not
Ganun
that
na talaga.
complicated.
So ito dahil nga kami ay perimenopause and menopause advocacy. I wanna ask, how do you support Aleta and do you even know her journey right now? She's going through.
We've talked about it konti kasi I'm sure she's
May na-notice ka ba?
gonna go through it. I've noticed it sa mga friends and sister ko. She's older than me. And some are going through it.
But your wife is the same age as you
Yes,
ba?
same.
Okay.
So she's probably in her peri.
Yeah, peri na yun, for sure.
Ayun, so baka that's a conversation. I-guess nyo kaya siya. Hindi.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Mahihain yun.
Okay.
So parang,
Anong mga symptoms meron ka bang na-notice na difference before?
sa wife ko, wala pa. Pero from what I know, hot flashes, just the basic ones.
No, do you know
Open
that
to be
there are
educated.
70 plus
Mm-mm.
symptoms?
70?
70. So, halimbawa, alam mo yung cycle.
Although hindi naman lahat
Oo,
nakukuha
hindi,
ng
oo.
isang babae. So, iba-iba.
Iba-iba. For example, it's like going through her PMS, pero times 4.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
okay.
Times 4 siya. So, as simple as mood swing o pagsasabi mo, parang nireregla lang siya, mga times 4 yun.
Mhm.
Or for example, that
Rage. Init ng
Rage.
ulo. Or
Define
mabilis nang
rage.
mairita.
Define rage.
Mabilis na siya mairita. Yung mga dating times, yung mga dating situations na hindi na siya nairita na siya ngayon. Mas nairita na siya ngayon. And parang masakit na yung mga bones niya. Yan. Tapos hindi na siya makakilos masyado. Some men, actually, we talked to some women na yung husbands daw nila thought na, tamad
mo na. Hindi ka
Mm.
naman dating ganyan.
It's so sad na they think that the
Their
wives are sad,
wives.
but it's really
The body.
the body talaga cannot move or talagang hindi talaga kaya. So may mga ganon. So understanding between the wife and the husband must happen na hindi siya tamad. Kasi may difference eh. Iisipin niya na, hindi mo siya ganyan dati. Ba't ngayon tatamad-tamad na siya? But it's really not tamad. It's really the body that's not cooperating. The mind is there but the body is not. So may mga ganong changes. Meron bang, ano pa yung ibang mga symptoms? Like
Hindi, I think yung mga uncle na manonood dito.
headache.
Oh, good.
Oo.
Good na to.
Perimenopause 101. Perimenopause is a place where your wife or your partner goes through. It can go as far as 10 years bago ang menopause. Ang menopause, Uncle Carlos, is that 1 full year na wala ng period ang partner mo.
Straight.
Mhm.
Oo.
Yun ang perimenopause. It only happens once in a woman's
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
But the perimenopause, ito yung zone of chaos. Ito yung impyerno sa buhay ng karamihan ninyo. In fact, we always say, this is where the highest rate of separation
In the States, yes.
in the States. I think here also, but it's not yet, wala pang data
Walang
eh.
Walang data.
Wala pang
Yeah.
data.
I'm curious to
Pero
know.
this stage in life is where, bakit bigla naghiwalay? Kasi not because of anything, meron ng disconnect because there's a physical, mental, and sexual changes, both coming from men and women.
Oo, men sometimes would think ayaw na makipag-sex ng wife because baka
Hindi na ako mahal.
Hindi niya na ako mahal.
Oo.
Baka hindi na siya napupogian sa akin. But really, low na yung libido because of the physical changes.
At yung ating guest na
Equity.
si Dr. Rica, sinasabi niya na for men ha, I don't know if it's true. If you reject them in bed, it's like you rejected them completely.
Oo, akala daw ng men, ayaw
Ay,
nyo na sa
sa
kanila. But
amin.
really sa women, it's just that we cannot ourselves because low in
Exactly.
libido and the testosterone
Oo.
nga, diba? So may mga body changes na talaga na hindi namin makontrol but it reflects and pag walang understanding yung men, iba yung nasa isip nila na that causes
That friction.
friction.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
So may mga
This
ganon.
is good, ah.
Mm-mm.
Right? So yan yung mga, yan yung advocacy namin because it's been hidden for many
Yeah.
years.
And we
Kind
don't
of
talk about it
Oh.
openly.
because of the stigma.
So, dapat may guy version din tong show. niyo.
Oh yeah!
Why
Sige.
don't you create
Why
a
don't you
guide?
create
Anong pangalan?
Since open ka.
Uncle Time?
All time, di ba? Oo,
Why
sige.
not? Mm-mm.
Kailangan ko ng co-host.
Oo, maghanap ka na
Maghanap
daddy
ka
group
na
mo.
sa
Bago
daddy
kong
group mo.
advocacy.
Oh yes!
Oo.
Dagdagan mo pa.
Andropos.
I would like to
Own
announce.
it. Hmm.
I would like to take this opportunity to announce my latest show,
Oo!
Uncle Time.
Ayan na.
love that.
Yes. So yeah, so
Anyway.
we have rapid fire questions here for Uncle Carlos. Ano lang rapid lang. Favorite cheat meal?
Burger, pizza?
Ooh,
It's just a boy, it's a
basic
guy
lang.
thing, yeah.
Toughest race. Yeah, madami yan.
Ironman, na DNF ko yung last ko eh.
Where? Here in Manila?
Sa Penghu,
Ooh.
Where's Penghu? China ba yan?
Taiwan.
Taiwan. Morning or evening workouts? Which one is your
Evening talaga.
Evening.
I'm not
Kahit
a
na may
morning
adrenaline ka pa.
So
Oo.
hindi, you're not a morning person pero
No.
you
Yeah.
run.
Yeah.
That's
And
commitment.
Effort yan talaga.
That's
ha?
commitment.
Parang yung
Discipline.
swim club, it's 7 to 9 p.m. So after work,
Nice.
it's a way to distress.
Biggest fitness myth.
Na you can be strong all the time.
It's okay not to
Yeah,
be
it's
strong
okay.
all the time.
Oh, you cannot stay at your peak din.
Ano yung one exercise that everyone should do?
Push
For
up,
uncle,
Push up.
push up.
so strength training,
Push up.
kailangan
Oh.
din nila yon.
Oh,
One thing you wish you knew before midlife.
na it's hard to get your fitness back once you lose it.
Yes.
So, mas
Super
magandang continuously. Pero kung hindi mo kaya,
Had I known, hindi ako nag-quit.
oh,
Pero wala na rin eh.
family life happens.
Oh, life happened. Oh, no regrets.
If you were not an athlete, what would you be, you think?
Siguro, I'm
An
no longer...
uncle time host.
Yeah.
Charot.
Oh, aside from launching my own
Podcast.
podcast. Siguro parang building communities. That's what I love naman talaga eh. I really love building communities. Yan. So I'd
We should learn
continue
from
doing
him.
that.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
Oo, di ba? Yun. So, I'm happy to say na lumalaki naman yung mga nagagawa ko. Yun.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Midlife is to you.
Interesting. Fascinating.
That's true.
Aging is?
Divine.
Ooh,
Oh. Like we always say, aging is a gift
Yeah,
because
it's a
not
gift.
everybody.
can reach the stage.
Yes.
Minsan, tege-bells na sila eh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Strength is.
Strength is being able to do what you love to do at any
And
time.
what's fun for you to do. Okay. Success is?
Success.
Iba-iba tayo dyan.
Oh, iba-iba tayong definition. Pero for me, success is being happy and content.
That's right. How about health?
Health is, aside from being wealth, parang, parang ano siya, health is something na you need to work on.
You build over
You
time,
build
no?
over time. Na health is something that has to be there. It's important to have it, to have a enjoyable life.
Di ba? Yung sinasabi nga nila, kahit gaano kadaming pera mo, if you build that wealth, kung ang health mo wala, you don't get to enjoy
Yeah.
it. And mauubos
That's what I
din.
realize now, being 40-year-old.
Yeah.
It's the most important thing.
If I could tell every man one thing, what would you tell them?
Men at your age, and
Men
then
at-
later on, younger men.
Men at my age, siguro sabihin natin, understand their partners more. Ang dami ko natutunan dito.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank
Diba?
you.
Okay,
Yeah.
8 na sila, check.
Oh, di ba?
And then men sa younger, what would you?
Na life is super long pa. It doesn't even start at 20.
So, wag magmadali? Is that what you
wag
mean?
magmadali. You have enough time.
Okay.
You can pivot anytime you want.
Pero actually, mga kabataan ngayon, ayaw na nga nilang mag-asawa eh. 'Di ba? Parang
Interesting yung
patagal ng
interesting di ba may issue with lower declining birth rate.
the declining birth rates.
Ayaw
I
na
mean,
magkaanak.
Our lowest now.
Or delayed
Yeah.
yung gusto nilang mag-anak.
oo.
Oo, wala namang problem doon. But of course, the reproductive campaign, people, ayaw nila yon.
That's right.
Parang
Galing
that's something
kanya-kanya
I think I wish people knew na it really gets harder once you hit 35.
Wag mo naman takutin, pero yes.
Harder. Harder in
Yeah,
what
yeah.
sense?
Kasi marami ring nasasabi ko sa threads, I see a lot of posts na parang kino-compare yung may anak and wala. Na parang sinasabi, hindi talaga ako magkakaanak. Ganun. I'm happy being...
Actually, oo.
Although, syempre, hindi mo naman pwedeng i-contest yung kasi.
Oo, iba rin naman
That's
kasi yung
their-
feeling na may anak.
Oh,
So, kanya-kanya din
kanya-kanya yun.
talaga.
Oh.
So, if you could tell any woman
Mm.
about menopause, what would it be?
Na we can be part of the journey.
Ganda. Sana oil.
And I really hope this starts a conversation
Yeah.
that us aunties then, we need to partner with our partners also as they go through
Correct.
their midlife journey
Oo.
as well.
Speaking of that, we talked to the chairperson of Philippine Commission on Women. Kasi nga we have an NGO aside from advocacy na to na podcast namin. So when we delivered our presentations, she said na okay, tama, awareness, but you also have to promote awareness with men din ha. Tama siya eh. Sabi nga kasi sila rin yung kailangan nating support. For all these years, we've been supporting them. Kumbaga, women are supporting men. it's about time that we give them a chance to support us through this journey.
If we give our partners the chance to take care of us, they rise to the occasion. Ako
Yes, pero you have to tell them specifically what. They
Oo.
can't do it on their own, like, this is what I'll do.
Parang by nature naman, men really take care of their...
Yeah, you guys are always the pero yung kasi for example sa akin I enjoy taking care of my family. Pero being placed in the vulnerable place and then allowing them to do stuff
Yeah.
for me is just amazing. Oh my God, like I thought
Possible pala.
possible. But only if we give them a
because,
chance.
Not because they don't want to, You didn't give them
The
the
chance.
opportunity to be at your service because
that's
you
right.
want to serve them more.
See?
Diba?
So
Parang
to
ganyan.
answer that, you're not alone. Diba? Dito rin.
Diba? Nakakatawa.
Oh my
Sige,
God.
that's a good advice. Sabihin mo rin yan sa daddy group siya, ha? Ganun eh.
Anyway, so can you share with us your socials on how we can reach you?
My socials are hard to find. I'm Carlos de Guzman, so it's Carlos de Guzman din.
Okay.
How about the SBR?
SwimbikeRun.ph. We have events happening all year round. So we have a duathlon coming up, and then a
When is
triathlon.
this?
So July 19.
July 19.
Yeah, that's the duathlon in Clark. And then August 30. Katapos na ng aquathlon eh. We had 800 participants there.
Fantastic. Thriving ang multi-sports.
Thriving siya, it's because of the running boom.
running.
I
Bumalik siya
directly
ulit, eh,
credit
no?
that. Oh.
Ako, I'm personally happy that movement is very important.
Lalo na sa age natin.
May may na pinost nga ako, nabasa ko lang. Movement is medicine.
Movement is
So just to share.
Yes,
In
yes.
fairness.
Diba?
I am really a subscriber
Yeah.
of that. Like it's part of we drink vitamins, we sleep well,
Yeah.
but if we don't move, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So it's sbr.ph.
Yeah, swimbikeRun.ph in all social media.
So
outlets.
you're on Facebook,
Yeah.
Instagram.
TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
TikTok ka na rin.
Oh, dami. Pero hindi pa ako yung gumagana.
So
Tutulungan
also
nila.
don't forget, we have our socials Ante Time. That's
Yeah.
AUNTH Time. We are on Facebook, Instagram. We are also on TikTok, Spotify, and YouTube. So please add us. And for my personal, it's Casey_Superstar.
Mine is Antebel and IG.
Okay. So thank you, Carlos.
Thank
This
you,
is-
Carlos.
What
Very
an
insightful.
interesting.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. I hope you had fun.
Yeah, enjoyable.
And thank you
Oh.
for being such a
Good sport.
Game.
Oo,
Game.
yun lang yun.
Very honest.
Oh, so parang sa first show ko kayo yung guest.
Of course.
course.
We would look forward to your Uncle Time.
eh.
Mm-mm.
For those interested sa Z-Man that we talked about earlier, they have a website. It's zmansx.ph. And then for all their socials, that's zmansx.ph.
Thank you. I think Z-Man also provides an equal opportunity for our partners.
Yes.
Understanding their needs
What
in
they're
midlife.
going through
Yeah,
and
what they're
helping
going
them,
through.
supporting them. Tama.
Quality of life.
Correct. Healthy aging.
Exactly.
And that's it for our episode, Ante.
What an interesting episode.
Sobrang
Ante.
insightful and I learned a lot from
Me
our
too,
guests.
yeah.
And thank you so much for all of our listeners, now 8 of them.
8 of you. Thank you
for
so much.
listening. So this has been your Auntie Belle.
And this is your Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time. Bye.